Perfect. We are live. Well, round two. Let's go ahead and take a look at if everything is right on this one. Yes. Come on. What's going on, everybody? Welcome, welcome. There we go. Perfect. Gotta take a look at all of this. Live chat is coming in. Audio is coming in. Francisco in the house. Welcome, buddy. Oh, baby. It's been a really tough one. But we are here. What a crazy day we have in front of us, guys. Okay. All right, guys. Audio is coming in good. Audio is coming in good. Welcome to all my subscribers, all my viewers, new viewers who are finding us right now with Shiba Inu, crypto, Bitcoin, and the rest. Not in my studio, but we're still grinding. One day I'll tell you the whole deal of what's going on, but what's important right now is this over? Or are we gonna go and continue bouncing back up again? You also need to be aware of buying the dip and adding positions as we go down. So let's go ahead and have a conversation on that one. Francisco here, bullish. Kevin in the house, welcome. Now we have a good internet. So cheers to all of you who you've been taking a look at the info at the latest news on X. It's been very problematic to our positions right now. It's the beginning of today. We just started to see everything really dive down, and I know by now you're mostly aware of what happened. We have the Japanese market yesterday, and then today we have the Taiwanese market, and the United States, of course, dropping trillions. Look at this, Ethereum down. I just got a notification on Robinhood. Ethereum is down 5% to 2,300. Based on what I'm seeing right now, we went to 55 on Bitcoin right here. 55,000 BTC, and that was a bounce back of, let's give it a look, of 12%. 12% on BTC. But now we're seeing to start going down once again at 53,200, everybody. Let's go ahead and move to the 15 minutes to see this. Oh yes, you can tell right now. I'm using my log salgo indicator, everybody. Let's go ahead and put that one off for Shiba Inu 2, which you can see it to this side of the screen. And there you go. I'm gonna delete this one. Don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Giovanni's in the house. Welcome, welcome. Miami's watching. Let's go. I hope it bounces back harder. This was the lower of the low. It seems like we are gonna get higher lows. Bye. November is gonna be amazing. Taking a look at the comments for sure. Oh, there it is. There it is. One of the things that I was giving you or telling you yesterday is when we're witnessing this collapses, the only thing we can do is have fun and enjoy the spectacle. That's it. Hold on, everybody. It will go back up. Agree. Now take a look at this. 20% down, Lido, Near Protocol, FET, Phantom, Arbitrum. Jasmy is the one, 13%, PEPE 14%. Like, these are the deals, guys. These are the deals that you and I we've been waiting for. It's 2 p.m. now. It's a brand new hour for crypto. What is it? 2 hours ago, $1.2 billion liquidated from the cryptocurrency market in the past 24 hours. Let's go ahead and post this one here. Welcome, 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 fam. I'll go ahead and pin this coming. We have 100 votes coming in. That's really good. A lot of people joining once again. Yesterday we had a great conversation. Now we're back up running. You bought the dip at 7 a.m. just not Riz. You kidding me, man? That's really good. I wanted to be awake at that time, but I couldn't. I was really destroyed from yesterday. I needed to sleep. I really needed to sleep. So as expected, it's Monday, and there's gonna be many updates from all different outlets. I'll tell you something, guys. Pay attention to this. We are closer and closer to a major war. Inflation is still not at 2%. More and more markets are opening and then collapsing to lower lows. And election year is here, 2024. And you know something? Bitcoin is still above $50,000. All right? I don't need to yell. I don't need to force my voice to just say it like it is, guys. We are in some of the most challenging times in this decade. Easy. In the year, in the decade, it's a really challenging time, difficult time. And the price of BTC, the price of Ethereum is still relatively okay, holding fine. I mean, if it was 10,000 Bitcoin and 200 Ethereum, then I'll tell you, guys, I think we messed up. I think crypto is a scam, and I'm sorry, but I've been lying. This is just the worst. We messed up. We failed. Game over. But that's not the case, because 55, 53, 50,000 BTC and then well over 2,000 Ethereum, guys, we're going to make it. We're going to make it really nice. This is the beginning of a bigger story. I'm just here every single day telling you positive things. Sometimes I don't say too many positive things, but we just try to keep it balanced. What's going to happen when there's a new administration in charge? We receive our first federal funds rate cut. There's somebody who can stop that situation in Israel, and more adoption comes in. What's going to happen, fam? Greatness. And that's when tons of great investors are going to come in and buy the dip for reals. I feel you, man. You set up an alarm for that. That's really nice. Both red. Just bought some Shiba. I trust you, bro. Appreciate it, Samir. Happy to have you. Let's stay strong. Let's go. Guys, up to 80,000 USDT. The link's down below to sign up on exchanges that I have collaborations with. Sumex, CoinW, and Margex. Be my guest, and if you haven't done so, sign up. Also, fourth link down below, you have Loxalgo. Get it on while we can. Really good opportunities if you're especially trading right here. It helps a lot. Similar crash happened after they approved the Bitcoin ETFs. Looks like the big boys wanted the price lower. Agree. I mean, 49,000 I think is a decent low for it to be the big delicious retracement. I do agree. 49 sounds like a really nice bottom for me. There's a poll right now going in. What's gonna happen much later, guys? Oh, this is good. I was showing you this earlier today, but my stream got destroyed. But we're coming back up. Now with this one, guys, roughly $2 trillion wiped out from the US stock market so far today. So you can delete almost $2 trillion from the markets, but still it all seems to be fine as long as people continue buying the dip and companies don't go out of business. It's all good, it's all okay. At the very beginning of the day today, about 8 hours ago or so, even halting Robinhood. Man, I wish I would have seen that. I wish I would have seen that. That could have been an amazing video for you guys, but we have to sleep, you know. This was the last Watch Guru post I saw yesterday for that video when Japan nuked the entire crypto space, and then a few hours later, Bitcoin falling under 49, under 50,000. Billions liquidated very quickly. But the good news is that, let me just share with you crypto crash. I have it right here for you. History repeats itself. Breaking emergency Jerome Powell meeting during market crash. This is not right. That is false. We'll have this September meeting, I'm sure. We'll have it, guys, and they're gonna announce some cuts. That's the idea. Once that happens, we should be looking. Oh, that's so crazy. The Simpsons never disappoint. They never disappoint. This was early today in Fox Business. Nasdaq down 1,000 points. That's at opening. That's at opening, basically. Oh, look at this. Margex position liquidated. Dear user, the following position has been liquidated. Oof. Yeah, I think a lot of people definitely got those liquidations if you were longing, right? If you were longing your crypto. JB in the house. What's going on, man? Giovanni here. Welcome, Crow fam. Happy to see you all. And look at this, guys. Isn't this interesting? Warren Buffett now holds $277 billion in cash. Maybe he's ready for a crash, and that's what happened. Like they're gonna be buying the dip. That's how they keep themselves the most wealthy group of people in the world. They buy the fear, absolute destruction prices. That's what they like to get in. So much cash in hand, man. We're gonna skyrocket September and October. I mean, I'll be fine if we do really good things in October, November. November, that should be really nice. Keeps in the house, welcome in. Super cool. Crypto market is collapsed. Zero, down 75%. Oh yes, that's the feeling when you're a crypto investor. You're like, wait, is the price completely destroyed? No, just 90% down. Oh, okay, that's fine. We know it's gonna come back eventually. Breaking news: Japan market suffers worst losses in 1987. Let's do Taiwan because they're gonna have those news. Breaking: stock market crashes to worst day in 57 years. Bloomberg, guys, and it just happened. It just needed to happen in 2024, right? It needed to happen right now when we were trying to get a bull market. Don't we see it? Don't we see it? It's our time to finally get out of the 2022, 2023, and early 2024 consolidation bear market. It's finally our time to get out and say, man, we made it. And they still want another mega drop. They still want blood prices because they didn't get enough in 2022. They know what's coming. It's gonna blow everybody's minds. It's true. September is a better month. Always need to wait for October. As long as we need to wait, everybody. Ooh, 52,000. There it goes. New post is coming right now. 52,000, baby. Let's go ahead because I already tweeted 52,000 yesterday. Here. All right, let's copy this. There it is, 52,000. Send it. Breaking news. 52,000. Stop this. Okay. All right, there it is. Welcome, guys. Almost 200 people watching. Oscar Ramos live. Don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Appreciate you guys stopping by. There's so many commentary today. It's been a crazy day in real life for me, but we don't care. We continue pumping, we continue pushing and sharing with you, fam, the content, the news. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum, because if Bitcoin goes down, Ethereum goes down. If Bitcoin goes down, Ethereum goes down, and yep, that's what's going on. Ethereum bounced back from the 2100 to the 2500. That was the bounce for ETH. So BTC had a 12% up and ETH had a 15% up, 12 and 15% up respectively. We're gonna be rich. That year holders outperform a trader. Costco. What's going on, man? It's good news, a good chance to earn this year. Let them crash. You know, it's really good that my community has the right expectations in crypto. I've been in crypto for a while and I know that this is a dead bounce, right? This, oops. Right here. It's so clear that we could go much lower, and based on the reactions of the market, don't be cocky thinking that that's it, that was the lowest. I wish it was, but it kind of looks like another bull trap. Looks like a bull trap for sure. So if you have some cash in hand, hold on for a second. Not financial advice. Fort Art, what's going on, man? Happy to see you too. That's really nice that you guys are here. Wouldn't be surprised if Shiba Inu dropped a 0. Oh man, that's gonna be devastating for so many people. Glad to see that it's not really Shiba Inu's fault. It's just the market, what it's doing to us. It's just nobody's fault. It's just what the market conditions are doing to the whole ecosystem. Cardano is a better version of Bitcoin, some people saying. Let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin right here. See what people and how people are taking it. Now we're under 53,000. El Salvador bought more Bitcoin today while everybody else is selling. Let's go. That's super cool. How much did they buy? El Salvador. That's neat, guys. Countries are just adding a lot of BTC while they can. They're not rushing to sell it to whales. They're not rushing to sell it to diamond holders. They're like, okay, you know what? You're trying to give your Bitcoin away. We'll take it. Out of Shiba Inu now before it dumped yesterday, JB. Reinvest into stronger tokens I did. Got it, JB. Let's go. It's so cool seeing you highlighted on Robinhood News, Oscar. Appreciate it, David. Let me go ahead and send me that link so I can take a look at it, brother. I would love to see that. Holding to my dear wallet if it crashes again. Lucky, had a little more cash in hand. Nice risk. Let's go. Smashing that like button, everybody. Let's go ahead and get more family house. I know we can. And subscribe if you haven't done so. If you are ready to see more blood on the street, it's 2 p.m. Central Time. And I kind of wanted to see, you know, what really the investors are looking to do with us, with our money. Let's go ahead and open up the bubbles, guys. It's always a good time to watch the bubbles move. This is the daily bubbles right here on the screen. Jasmy, PEPE is 16% down. Floki 11% down. BitKC is 10% down. Gala 13% down. Crow 8% down, fam. Caspa 13% down. That's really good. What's going on, Greg? Welcome. Hawaii's in the house. Let's go. Dude, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I want to see more blood on the streets. Do you guys want to see more blood on the streets? Thumbs up if you want to see more blood on the streets, because we're ready. If they really want to shake us up, do it right now. Not in November. Not in November. Do it now. Send all the blood. Send the best you got. Give me the best you got. Period. Because November, nobody's going to be messing up with us. It's going to be our time to go absolutely nuts. Gregan's in the house. What's going on, man? Happy to see you, bro. Lol, Oscar. Enough blood done. JV, what's going on, brother? Come on, JV. You know we got more gas in the tank to survive. More blood on the street, brother. No, I already bought the dip. People are like, please, no more blood, no more blood. Oh, baby. There you go. Send it, send it, send it. Give it to me. Give it to me. I'm so ready, guys. Perfect time to be live with you guys. Cheers. Go ahead and grab something to drink. Go ahead and grab something to eat. This is the reality of crypto, right? We've been buying the dip for so long, and now it's just a time for us to enjoy and watch. Oh, yes. 52.5. 52.5. This is what I'm talking about, everybody. Yep. 2300 Ethereum. That's what you're seeing right now on the screen. Seems like it's gonna happen now. Oh, we're in the right time right now. If it actually comes down to back to under 50,000, we'll be watching it here. Guys, let's go ahead and move to the 5 minutes. Why not? That's much better. We're watching now the 5 minute candle. Oh yeah, that looks so delicious. I love it. That looks so good. Let's go ahead and move to the 5 minutes on Ethereum right here. Now this is the 5 minutes on Ethereum right here. You guys can see it very well. Now, it's good time for me to remind you of Loxalgo, fam. We're about to touch the 5 minute bottom reversal pain in the Loxalgo indicator. And if you have it, guys, links in the description below. The fourth link right next to the key emoji. If you're trading, that's a signal for you to come in with a position right here. Right here. We're almost there. Just to give you, like right now at 12:55 p.m., the price from 55,000 has collapsed. So a lot of people are trading patterns, right? So just give it a look before you buy, fam. Always utilize all the tools at your disposal, always. That's why I'm trying to bring you guys the latest and the greatest ones. Great DCA days. Keep fingers crossed. November is either a huge win or a huge loss. Nothing in between. I'm buying today big time. Libre, you're an MVP, man. Let's go. No, I mean, guys, November should be our time for us to shine. If not, we messed up. I'm just kidding. Just joking. you know that we're gonna be fine. Eventually they're gonna be sending the prices to the moon again. My expectations are for the end of the year and next year, not now. We know the 4-year market. I think February is gonna be the explosion. I think we will go up in November, but explosion in February. Okay, I see your thinking on this one, Giovanni. I know we're gonna be crypto millionaires if we survive this, so there's really no chance that I'm just gonna let this opportunity get through my fingers, right? No chance. I better be able to survive this one. Oftentimes we don't get to buy the lowest price because we're human beings and we act on emotions a lot of the times, especially if you don't have an indicator. So let's say if you are looking at 54, 55,000 and you buy here, well, guess what? The price of BTC just went lower, and now you're banging your head to the door saying, why didn't I wait? It's okay. I mean, it happens. It happens, guys. Don't frustrate yourself too much. You're not the only one. You won't be the first. You won't be the last. Yeah, bro, the storm in South Carolina, I couldn't leave on time because of that, and I had to wait, and it got delayed, and then I arrived later, and everything just got pushed back. Oh man, not the best way to start a new month, especially now collapsing with more crashes in the crypto space, but nothing we can do about it. These are things that you cannot control, so why stress about it, right? There's really no reason why to stress about it, for sure. Fam, don't forget to follow us on X at Real Oscar Ramos 1. I'll put the link right here. That'll be incredible. We got over 200 people watching. Happy to see you all. Welcome. Definitely late at night is a great time to be here and to also see more fam. We may do it tonight, we'll see. Crypto meltdown. Why I'm not worried about Bitcoin's drop. I'm not worried either, Dan. I'm not worried. Shouldn't be worried despite of what happens. And we are prepared. Are you winning, Dad? Son, pack your stuff. I just lost the house. Oh man, honestly, memes in the crypto space are the best ones. Memes in the crypto space are absolutely the best ones. So we have Justin Sun, the founder of Tron Network, saying, don't worry, the industry has grown significantly over the past year. And this market fluctuation isn't due to negative news. 100% agree, it's true. We should reject FUD and keep building. That's why we're creating 1 billion fund to combat FUD, invest more, provide liquidity. I do agree. It has nothing to do with negative news in crypto. It's just things that happen to the markets and people freak out and sell. Turkey announces it's joining South Africa's genocide case against Israel at International Court of Justice. Oh man. What did Peter Schiff said? Long-term yields are lower than anticipation and more aggressive rate cuts by the Fed and increased odds of recession. But when the Fed does cut rates, long-term yields will rise along with inflation, forcing the Fed to launch quantitative easing and to suppress them. That's when it hits the fan. Sad but true. I understand what is happening here. What it basically says is, if they start cutting rates, it could be a short-term solution, but it's just gonna rise inflation once again. And if it rises inflation once again, they're gonna do quantitative easing strategies, which is gonna suppress that inflation. But we're gonna just never. It's just gonna be in a loop, never-ending inflation problems for Americans. That's what it means. After so many times, so many months of going through the FOMCs, I a little bit understand what's happening there. In the 5-minute chart, everybody, we're seeing some green candles for everything. That's not bad. That's really nice. Some double digits too right there. Baby bounce, I know, right? Baby bounces. Oscar, the explosion happens every 4 years. 13, 17, 21, 25. I believe it happened in February, like in 2017, 2021. It was in February and November. Giovanni, let's go ahead and pin that beautiful comment, brother. That's what I'm talking about, man. Let me ask you a real question. Are you ready for that 2025 explosion? Are you ready to make your crypto portfolio bright shine higher because you're gonna become a multimillionaire? Because it's true. A lot of us were still eating ramen or sleeping in twin couches, driving Corollas, or, not living the life that we desire, in financially speaking, of course. But things are going to change really fast, everybody. Things are going to change in less than a year. You and I will be in a different situation. It's true. It's true, guys. And it sounds so beautiful because there's a lot of people who are not investing in crypto right now who will rush to crypto once we made it. Nothing goes better with a good tip than a bag of chips. James, you're so smart and wise. It's true. So many noobs to crypto holding Shiba Inu. Patience, my friend, patience. It's like you're comparing. What is it? You might be comparing a Rolls Royce to a Maserati. The Maserati might run or look very fancy and shiny, but the Rolls Royce, hey, it's gonna come back. There's many new meme coins that are super shiny and pumping, really classy and nice, but they desire to be in the position Shiba Inu is. May don't agree with everything Shiba Inu does, but once eventually it explodes, guess what? All of those Ethereum wells are gonna go back to SHIB. That's exactly what happened in the March pump. Oscar, do you ever feel fear when there's blood on the streets? Do you ever think in the back of your head that it could lose all your hard-earned money? Absolutely never. One of the reasons is that I'm not investing 100% of my crypto in meme coins. I'm not investing everything in meme coins that are just a gamble. No, most of my money is in the good positions that we've been sharing with you guys for such a long time. I do have good money in meme coins, but it's not everything. So, plus, I'll tell you something. If I was buying uncontrollably in 2025, expecting that 2026 would be my exit level, then I will be concerned because we should be looking at bull market prices in 2025. It is my responsibility to cash out before 2026 comes in, because then I am risking my positions for a major correction as we start the next bear market. Exactly. Yeah, the Maseratis, they break really fast from what I can tell, the poor quality, but the Rolls Royce, good quality, beautiful car. I think Shiba Inu is the Rolls Royce, man. Might be some fancy, shinier Maseratis, but at the end of the day, I think I want quality. And might don't have quantity, but the quality that Shiba Inu provides, it's something else, and I like that. Not many people can withstand that. Well, for sure, go ahead and try a new meme coin that can work for you a little bit better. Note, I'm not saying that Shiba Inu is going to go to a cent or a dollar, right? I think a lot of people know that. But as long as we break that 100 billion market cap, you and I should be in a really great position. No need for us to panic much. Kenduino in the house, welcome. Tomorrow's guest. Who is this person? Oh, I think I know who it is. What is this? 4 hours ago, Justin, Iran informs neighboring countries that it's preparing to attack Israel. All right, so let's discuss this for a second. What did I tell you yesterday in the live, my fam? I told you, have cash in hand, because when these guys attack, we're gonna have another crash, another major correction, and I think it's gonna happen, fam. I think so. We're gonna have another major correction once Iran, sends back an attack to Israel, and that might start even more and more blood on the street. This was 12 hours ago. I promised if Bitcoin dumps below 50,000, I'll give 10,000 BTC to 5 people as promised. Wow. Check this picture out. This is the daily candle. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just 8 days later, phenomenal levels to collapsation, fam. Collapsation. In 8 days, everything went downhill. What it means is that in 4 days, in half of that time, we can all recover all those losses, because that's how fast crypto can move. It's true. PEPE's G class. I know, right? Giovanni, remember in February 2021 when Shiba Inu came out of nowhere, made an instant millionaire. It's true. Yep, you're right. So we'll for those holding billion Shiba Inu, those holding tons of shit, fam, you are gonna be some of the biggest winners in our industry. That's for sure. Jasmy went down. Where's the Jasmy army watching? Hello. Holding Jasmy and more Jasmy, multi-millionaire in Jasmy, and I know that it has to go over 10 cents, 20, 30 cents. By then, I'm set. I'm so set, honestly. It's tons of great individuals that I know bullish in Jasmy and holding, but like any other crypto, it does go down fast. You have PEPE coin. PEPE is one that I have a little bit, not much, but what I have is enough for me. I already added a 0, but when PEPE comes back up, it flies back up, like very nice. Steady, but nice. Now, I'm liking what I'm seeing, guys. Listen, I'm liking what I'm seeing right now. This was August 5th. This was August 5th at 1 a.m. and at 8 a.m. Oh, it did twice, 46, 49. Oh, wow. I didn't know that. It did twice 49. I thought it just did it once. Huh. So this was at 1 a.m. Then it bounced to 53, and then came down again to 49 at 8 a.m. Oh, okay. Obviously, when the United States opened, right? Oh, I didn't know it did it twice. And then after the second one, people just started buying back up to 55. I see. And then finally we get the 53. Okay, gotcha. I wasn't aware of that. So if you went to sleep like me right here, if I went to sleep right here, I would have lost the entire action. This was the real action, everybody. This 8-hour window. That's the real action for crypto. Amazing. I need to be a millionaire soon because I can live forever. PEPE. I'm selling my bicycle for 20,000 jasmy. Let's go. I think we should change the slogan to blood in the desert. Yeah, because no longer we can afford streets, right? I get it. No, fam, I think we're going to be fine at the end of the day. You and I, we should be looking ahead to much better days, but it will have to be patient for that. All right, let's continue taking a look at the recent comments and at the recent information right here. Breaking, CNBC's Jim Cramer says, if you care about your paycheck, you go with Trump. Okay. 1 hour ago, Israel considers striking Iran if intelligence shows an imminent Iranian attack. So attack first, basically. Crazy, man. Oh, this is just not gonna end up well. I've been repeating this for so long, but it's just like these guys are just not trying to create any type of appeasement or deal or something. It's just war, destruction, and killing. Man, so sad, bro. Because of this, and because of the uncertainty that it brings to the markets, Jerome Powell might just have to do something unexpected. Jerome Powell. Russia announces full cooperation with Iran against Israel. That's another thing. So I'm not a foreign relations expert, please. This is just my own opinions, right? But the United States is tied. The United States is helping Israel. Russia is helping Iran. You see it? Do you see what's going on here? And Russia is fighting Ukraine, and the US is helping Ukraine. Man, honestly, man, like, can they? It just have to happen in 2024. Like we wanted our bull market already, but all the wars and the conflicts are not letting us go. Appreciate you, bro, and thank you for always being honest. I need to go back to work. I appreciate it, Kai. Thank you so much. Reminds me of the 80s all over again. JB, you know better, of course. People who've been living a little bit longer. This is not the worst time, obviously, in the world as far as wars go. Sadly, in our 2024 era, there's a bunch of nuclear wars, nuclear weapons, and that doesn't make it any better. That's why it's difficult to deal with situations involving warfare, as it's no longer tanks or soldiers, battalions going, facing each other. It's more about cyber terrorism, cyber attacks, bombs, nuclear warheads. It's now big level stuff, right? I mean, this is insane. Plus, do you guys already forgot? Like, did we already forget about what happened before actually I went to my vacation we had the update in that antivirus software, whatever, that deleted or basically halted a bunch of utility on the Windows computers, the PC computers. Almost airlines, hospitals, and all kinds of craziness happened because of one company. That kind of comes to show that that's our weak spot, technology. Breaking. Egypt refuses to protect Israel from Iranian attack. Oh man. More blood on the streets, fam. More blood on the streets. Yeah, the big ego war. Throughout the years, market crash only to recover and come back much stronger. 100%, Pablo. Wells use this opportunities to buy cheap. We all should be doing the same. Don't panic. It's organic. 100%, man. Let's go ahead and pin that comment because you are absolutely right. That's one of the reasons that we continue buying the dip, and we're not going to stop doing it because we're going to come back stronger. That's the goal. Beautiful, everybody. Nice. So I wanted to give you some entertainment, some content and news and updates for a live stream. And after a lot of struggles, I'm happy that it came out good. Now, since we are at the end of the live, here's the reason why. So it's just funny things to share with my community. As I'm traveling back from my vacation, I have my house painted while I was gone. So it's like smart timing, right? I'm not using my house. I'm getting a great look for the house. But the problem is that I didn't anticipate that you have to leave the house venting for a few days later. And the painter is still not done with my house. So I cannot use my house. I cannot use my office because it's all painted, right? So I need to be in location because I cannot be in my house. Obviously, right? It's all now venting and fans are on and everything's on, but that's one of the reasons it's a little bit chaotic right now for me. That's why you don't see me in my office, not in my main computer or so. But anyway, just wanted to share that with some of the friends watching still, because I do appreciate you guys. And I'll show you soon how the end result came out. That's basically what it is. What's going on, Orlando? Don't believe everything you see when it comes to who's on what side. I've seen this before. Yeah, buddy. It's true. It's true. Appreciate it, JB. Don't know what happened there. Oscar Ramos, the fumes will kill. I know. Yeah, absolutely. That's why I'm outside and not there for a while. But we'll be back once everything starts in much better shape. That being said, everybody, appreciate your time as always. Like and subscribe. Take a look at the links down below. Join the free communities that we have for you, which is Shiba Inu and Cronos. All my moderators and subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for coming into the space. Let's go ahead and pause this nice poll. There it is. So with 430 votes, we have bounce back harder. Well, that's what we all want, right? Consolidate and keep crashing, send help. There's only one way to find out, and that's continuously watching and what's going on. But like I tell everybody, our comeback will be unimaginable. And that's when you and I eat and eventually sell and cash out. Oh, that's going to be phenomenal. Thank you all for coming to the stream. Appreciate it, JB. Appreciate it, all my moderators. And I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.